Can you use a fart for propulsion in space? In space, due to zero gravity, releasing gas a fart creates a tiny thrust that can slightly move your body. This phenomenon is sometimes called a fart rocket. A turtle's shell is part of its skeleton. A turtle's shell is not just a hard outer covering, it is fused with its bones, including the spine, which is inside the shell. Do bees have emotions? Studies have shown that bees can experience emotions like stress and happiness. They are surprisingly emotional creatures. Penguins are skilled at sliding on their bellies. Penguins find it difficult to walk on ice, so they often use a technique called tobogganing, sliding on their bellies to move efficiently. Does chocolate taste different when you close your eyes? Research shows that when you eat chocolate with your eyes closed, the flavor and aroma are enhanced. This is because your sense of sight can dull other senses like taste and smell. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Knowledge Nuggets for more fascinating facts and trivia. See you in the next video.